I'm Nowmitha. I'm a 2023 year passed out student. I have completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Vardavi Institute of Technologies and Sciences, Andhra Pradesh. I have joined in the Qspiders in the month of May 2023 and I got placed in the month of August in a company called as Tech Mahindra as a software test engineer. Here in this Qspiders I have learned manual testing, SQL and Java. For me, the manual testing and SQL was taught by Uma Shankar sir and Java was taught by Anupama ma'am. All the faculty who taught me in a very simple way and easy way such that we can learn the subject in a very simple and in a fun manner. From the date of, in the first week of joining itself, I have added to the requirements. Till today, I have added to 10 plus requirements. In that 2 got scheduled, and this is the second interview of mine, and I have cleared this. I would like to say my special thanks to Uma Shankar sir because sir believed me and added me from the first week itself. And for every interview, whether it is scheduled or not, they have conducted grooming sessions. For me, the manual grooming was taken by Jeevan sir, and active grooming was taken by Rahul sir, and the selenium grooming was taken by Mustaqim sir as well as Mamata ma'am. I would like to thank all of them because they taught me how to present our knowledge in front of the interviewer. In a way, they will impress. And I would like to extend my thanks to all the HRs because they have given me the more requirements. They have believed on me. Thank you so much.